Welcome to Daily Insights, your guide to wisdom and knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Join me as we uncover the knowledge in everyday life, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary teachings. Daily Insights aims to spark your inspiration, ignite your curiosity, provide valuable insights, and explore life's most significant questions. Together, let us embark on the path of self discovery and personal growth as we discover the light of wisdom and knowledge around us. Today's conversation came to me through a discussion with my friend, Lady Jessica Nafula Masika. I want to take you on a journey, not to a far off destination, but to a place that is close to our hearts. This place is your past. It is a place where we've all been to, but often forget to visit with a purpose. The topic I bring to you today is reflections to directions, learning from yesterday for a brighter tomorrow. I am going to begin by asking you a question, as I often do. Have you ever looked back at your life and noticed how certain moments, decisions, and experiences have shaped you into the person you are today? Each of us has a tapestry of stories woven with threads of joy, sorrow, triumph, and failure. But how often do we pause to unravel these threads to understand the lessons they hold for our future? I want you to think about a moment in your past that was a turning point in your life. It could have been a word of encouragement, a failure, a chance encounter, or even a mistake. How did that moment transform you? How did it guide the decisions you made? This process of looking back, self reflection, is not about dwelling on the past, but mining it for the precious lessons it holds. We know that growth is an integral part of the human experience. Like a tree that needs to shed its leaves to grow new ones, we too need to let go of old patterns, thoughts, and behaviors that no longer serve us. This shedding process can be challenging. It requires courage, resilience, and an unwavering belief in our ability to change. But remember, every great transformation begins with a simple step toward self reflection. We know that positivity is not about ignoring the challenges or the pain. It is about embracing life in all its forms, knowing that even in our darkest moments, there is a lesson and strength to be gained. Have you ever found strength in a situation where you initially saw none? That strength is a testament to your ability to adapt and grow. As we accept our past, we often open doors to a future filled with possibilities. We learn to navigate life's complexities with grace, embrace change with open arms, and we build a future that resonates with our deepest aspirations. Now, as we move forward into tomorrow, let us carry the lessons from our past, not as burdens, but as beacons guiding our way. Let us ask ourselves, what can I learn from my past to create a future that I am proud of? You must remember that our past does not define us, but the lessons we take from our past can undoubtedly shape us. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey of reflection. Together, let us look to our past, not with regret, but with gratitude, for it holds the key to unlocking a future filled with growth, transformation, and endless possibilities. Let us step forward confidently, knowing that every experience, every challenge, and every triumph has prepared us for the beautiful journey that we call life. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.